YouTube, it's your girl Z Baby with another video, and in today's video is going to be a clean with me video. I'm cleaning my weave, which is my extensions, and I'm cleaning my closet. So if you're interested in looking at this video, keep watching the video, and shout out to all my new subscribers that have subscribed to the channel. I truly appreciate every single one of y'all that has subscribed. But further ado, let's get right into the video. And guys, if you're watching my videos, please give me a like. These videos are very, very time consuming, and it takes me a lot of energy to put them together. Even if you put a thumbs down, that would still help me out. But I need you to at least hit the like button so I can get in the algorithm, guys. Tomorrow I'm going to get my hair done. I'm so excited. I'm probably going to get my lashes done too. I need to get the works done because I haven't got anything done in a minute. But let's get right into the video. Okay, you guys. So every single year, I did this last year and I'm doing it this year. I always like to do a deep clean of my closet just to see what I have inside of my closet. Because a lot of times we buy things like myself and I be like, oh, I'm going to lose weight. I'm going to, take the weight off and I'm going to keep it. And then I end up having a bunch of clothes. So this time around, I was like, I don't want to throw away too many clothes because I did that last year. But moving forward, I have to have a clean closet moving into the different months. Because when it gets warmer outside, I like to see what I have available to put on. So that's what I'm doing right now.
Baby, go back in the bed. Baby, go back in the bed. Yeah, yeah. Feel like a kid when I'm with you. There's nothing better than that. Baby, go back in the bag, yeah. Take it. You like a movie. Keep it replaying. Yeah, you my favorite, yeah. Yeah, you my favorite, yeah.
Okay, also, I'm also sorting like my jeans, my pants, because I for some reason, I like wearing black clothing. That's what really suits me. I like wearing black clothing, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna do this. If I do this, I gotta put up everything that I washed winter. Because lately, I've just been washing clothes and putting them in the closet, and I was like, no. If I'm gonna do this deep clean, I'm going to sort everything out.
Baby, go back in the bed. Baby, go back in the bed. Yeah, yeah. Feel like a kid when I'm with you. There's nothing better than that. Baby girl, back in the bag, yeah. Take it. You like a movie, keep it replaying. Yeah, you my favorite. taste it. Got my heart beating 90 BPM and feel like a track I'm racing. Must be love the way it's palpitating. Nobody working me up like you do. That's why you all in my head, space you. Make it, you like a movie. Keep it replaying. Yeah, you my favorite, yeah. Yeah, you my favorite,
Now that I'm close to the end, I just want to say this to anybody that's watching this video. Originally, I was not going to make this video. Originally, I was supposed to be sitting on the couch watching Atlanta Housewives. But I was supposed to get this done on Sunday. And then I told myself again that I was going to just chill and not do nothing. And then my inside voice was like, those clothes been sitting there till Sunday. So you better get yourself up because today is Wednesday. So I said, you know what? I'm going to get it done. Because why not? I got to get it done. I'm not doing anything else. So I pushed myself and I went my inside voice and I said, I'm going to get myself together. I'm going to get my clothes together. I'm not going to be lazy and I'm going to hold myself accountable. So anybody that's a lazy, they don't like cleaning, they want to sit, drink, take their tequila shots. Remember this. Get your work done first so you can chill later.
Baby, go back in the bed. Yeah. Feel like a kid when I'm with you. There's nothing better than that. Baby, girl, back in the bag, yeah. Take it. You like a movie. Keep it replaying. Yeah, you my favorite, yeah. Yeah, you my favorite, yeah. Running through my mind all day. Hanging on every word that you say. And I love the way you say my name, yeah. Baby, I love how you say it. Rich like butter and I wanna taste it. Got my heart beating 90 BPM and feel like a track I'm racing. Must be love the way it's palpitating. Nobody working me up like you do. That's why you all in my head, space you. Make it, you like a movie. Keep it replaying. Yeah, you my favorite, yeah. Yeah, you my favorite, yeah. Running through my mind all day. Hanging on every word that you say. And I love the way you say my name.
All right, you guys, so you see, I'm almost done. And this is my favorite part. When I can clean something and everything is to the ground, this is how I'm loving everything that I said I was going to do. I said I was going to do it, and I got it done, even though this work was supposed to be done Sunday. But hey, it is what it is. Now I'm going to be making up my bed. I haven't filmed a video like this in a minute, but I got me a new comforter, y'all. Comforter is soft, warm, fluffy. I just love it. So I'm like, you know what? Let me just show them me cleaning the bed, put in a sheet, the blanket. Friday, I'm going to clean my bathroom. I don't know if I'm going to do a deep clean, but I'm definitely going to do a short, hopefully, about like what I do to clean my bathroom. But yeah, this is me cleaning the bed. I should have made it up earlier, but y'all, lately I've been loving to sleep. Like, I just been wanting to get my rest more. So I always feel comfortable when my bed is made. I just get the best sleep that way. All right, so this is how the outside of the comforter looks, y'all. This comforter is super warm. I love it so much. Okay, you guys, so now I am going to be cleaning my weave because I'm getting my hair done tomorrow. Even though y'all see me with this half wig that looks like a weave, it's not. It's a half wig. So I'm going to be using the Chi shampoo and the Chi conditioner. Did I say Chi conditioner? And I like to mix them both together because at the end of the day, like, this hair doesn't require a bunch of conditioner like that because I'm not going to be wearing it straight that much. I'm going to probably wear it straight one time and then it'll go back to its natural form. So I'm just washing it in some hot water. When I wash my weave, I make sure that I wash it with hot water. And I also make sure that it gets lots of lather and luster because I want the hair to get rinsed and clean properly. But I haven't worn this hair in a while, so I want to make sure that I clean it. And the one thing about my hairdresser, if she doesn't find that this hair is the best, she will re-clean it for me. So yeah.
Yeah, feel like a kid when I'm with you. There's nothing better than that. Baby girl back in her bag, yeah. Take it, you like a movie. Keep it replaying. Yeah, you my favorite, yeah. Yeah, you my favorite, yeah. Running through my mind all day. Hanging on every word that you say. And I love the way you say my name, yeah. Baby, I love how you say it. Rich like butter and I wanna taste it. Got my heart beating 90 BPM and feel like a track so I'm racing. Must be love the way it's palpitating. Nobody working me up like you do. That's why you all in my headspace, you.
And also, guys, please, guys, give me a like. It really helps me out when you guys give me a like, when you leave a comment. It really shows high engagement. This year, I'm trying to just get into the algorithm. So if you like anything that you're watching today, please give me a like.